Um, Now we want to glue the blade, and for gluing leather, I use a special leather glue. So in Germany we get this brand called Fix. I don't know what kind of brand you can get, but try to use specialized leather glue. So I uh, the beginning, when I began prototyping this, I tried out different kind of glues, but specialized leather glue for leather, well, who would have thought that it works? Um, you will need some clamps with this, and you will need 2 pieces of wood, where we put the blades in between and then pressure it. And you will also need a hammer, um, because this kind of glue is it depends on pressure. So you first put glue on both sides, then let it dry a bit until you think, oh wow, it's really dry. It can't glue, but it does. And then you put the blades together and give it a bit of pressure. And applying pressure to this with a hammer is pretty good, because in the end it will hold very good. So, yeah, well, let's begin. I I take my wood here first, and then I put the inside upside, and make a bit of. I try to put glue everything everywhere on here, especially there where the edge will be. So um it doesn't you don't need to put too much glue on there. Important is that you have uh in it's a thin film everywhere on both sides. Okay, so when you have a thin film on both insides, wait for a moment, watch it. It will appear if it a bit dry for a moment, and then you can put this together. So here it's already dry. That's good. And the leather will also soak a bit of soak a bit of the glue. So try to put this good together, and then hammer it. Okay. So now we got one thing glued. We will just do the other one, and then we give them pressure between the wood. If you get some of the glue on the good side, it doesn't matter too much, because you can when it dries, you can just roll it up. It will not stick too much in there, but you should remove it before painting it, because otherwise you can't fully paint your blade. So, okay, You see here I have a bit of this glue on the nice side, which I don't like, but you can just peel it off like that when it dries. It doesn't matter too much. Good. Okay. So now we want to apply more pressure to that, to the blade, and usually I would let them dry for like 2 days or 3 days, and then the glue gets really hardened, and then it would be ready for further procession. So what I do is I take my wood. I put the most important part of this blade. So I don't have my specialized woods anymore because I lost them in a flood. But you can use any wood you want. You want to have pressure on the blade because this has to hold the most stress, and put it between the wood, and then use my clamps to apply pressure. Okay, and yeah, well, like that we can let this lie around in a dry and warm environment for the next 2 days. So I put this behind my open.